Hello everyone, I am Ankush Chaudhary.
And I'm Ishani Kohli. Today we are presenting our project title Handwriting Recognition Handwritten Notes to Digital Text.
Our project enhances Tesseract OCR to recognize handwritten text using IAM Dataset, addressing challenges in digitalizing handwritten documents for applications like education, healthcare, and document automation.
Handwriting recognition is a challenging yet fascinating task because everyone writes differently.
Manual transcription of handwritten document is tedious and prone to errors. Automating this process improves both speed and accuracy. Our project bridges the gap by enhancing traditional OCR systems to handle handwritten text effectively.
Our approach focuses on balancing performance and reaching to broader range of users.
The image here showcases the conversion of handwritten notes into digital text using Tesseract OCR, demonstrating practical improvements over traditional deep learning methods.
We followed a structured workflow starting with preprocessing handwritten images by converting them to grayscale, resizing, and thresholding.
Next, we created labeled LSTMF files for training, fine-tuned the model incrementally by using checkpoints, and generated the enhanced train data file. Finally, we tested the trained model on unseen handwritten samples to evaluate its performance.
Using the IAM dataset, we achieved significant improvements with character error rate of around 5% and word error rate improved to about 20%. This demonstrates the effectiveness of our enhancements to Tesseract OCR.
In conclusion, we successfully developed a robust handwritten recognition model that effectively performs conversion of handwritten text into digital text.
Future work includes expanding the dataset, integrating language models, and exploring data augmentation techniques to further improve accuracy.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.